I have been on multiple retreats, from Miracle Minded Immersion to beautiful Bali to this paradise here at Playa Viva. And these retreats with Nichole are nothing short of magical. I am leaving today on the third retreat 100% different than when I arrived. The magic created by all of the women here and the way that Nichole leads her meditations are just amazing. So I will be coming back to another retreat if Nichole leads one, and I would just say for anybody who is considering just kind of like on the fence about signing up, just do it. Just do it. I didn't think I could make the journey to Bali, and I did. And every time at these retreats when I feel like I don't have any more in me, I don't know if I can show up, I show up, and it is so worth it. So thank you, Nichole.